Every car has a story.
Like the best thing ever.
For some, they end up here. Hi, I'm Gary Nichols. My team and I rescue cars from this. Here at Radical Rods, Rides and Restoration, we restore vehicles, giving them a renewed lease on life and preserving their stories so they could be told right here on Radical Restoration.
I'm a little nervous to head up to Cobble Beach. I've never been to, a show of this magnitude where, they look at everything.
The world sports car, Ferrari. Congratulations, Jeffrey.
Line Trombley. The car that you're seeing is a 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire convertible.
Love it! Like the best thing ever.
Yeah, I just love the car. I really do. I just love this car.
We basically started with just a shell on this car. We were going to originally buy an old shell. We ended up starting off with one of the Dynacore body shells, which is just a raw shell, no front end, no parts, just basically sheet metal.
We actually started out with it a little bit louder than it is today, but it was just a little too loud, so we toned it down a bit. It's really nice.
Hopefully we have it done on time, but there's quite a bit of work ahead of us here, and
Tick-tock. We're almost there.
It's pretty amazing, the transformation in 4 weeks. I'm amazed it's here.